There will be nearly 10 billion people on Earth by 2050. The demand for food and well-designed, safe outdoor recreational spaces that enhance human physical and mental health will continue to increase. This includes the production of medicinal and ornamental plant products, all while minimizing environmental impacts. The Department of Plant Science and Landscape Architecture at the University of Connecticut is preparing students to meet these demands with two baccalaureate degree programs: Sustainable Plant and Soil Systems and Landscape Architecture, as well as graduate and associate degree programs. This is a student-focused major built on a foundation of fundamentals, enhanced by research and innovation that develops the professionals of tomorrow. The New England turfgrass industry has an approximate $11.7 billion impact on the region's economy. Job placement of our students is nearly 100%, with careers as golf course superintendents, sports turf managers, landscape contractors, and product sales. We emphasize experiential learning as a key component of our curriculum that encompasses undergraduate and graduate research. A range of hands-on experiences include indoor and outdoor laboratory exercises, on-site visits to successful businesses, student club activities, and paid internships at top businesses, agencies, and sports venues. Many things in our world have drastically changed. The need for sustainable systems to produce food, safe recreational spaces, and intelligently designed environments that promote human health never will. For more information, visit psla.uconn.edu.